Hello guys, so welcome to another Oracle card review, and this time we're going to review the Coffee Cup Oracle created by Amira Salon, illustration by Sarah Maftum. It is a 44 card with a guidebook inside the box. So at the side, it says here 44 cards inside Coffee Cup Oracle created by Amira Salon. Okay, so it says here these cards are divination tool inspired by the ancient art of reading Turkish coffee grounds. The image on the card are symbols found in reading coffee cup grounds. The booklet inside the box gives meaning and layout for the card. So, I think this card is a bit new. I think this was first published in January of 2022. Okay, so let's open the box. It's blue, of course, my favorite color. And here's the guidebook. Actually, the guidebook is quite thin, and actually the history, it shows the history of the coffee cup readings, how to use the oracle cards, how to spread the cards. Okay, they have a 12 circle spread. They about the zodiac signs. So actually the description of the card are it's a bit brief actually. So for example, this bear that says strength and resourceful. Okay, the ability of finding what you need, the way of resources, gaining and looking for resources, defending yourself against adverse situation. So it's just that brief. So at the end, okay, so it talks about the author and the creator of the card. Okay, let's just go and flip through the card now. Actually, it has like a bit hole on this side, probably so you can get the cards. So it's like this. Okay, at the back of the card, there's actually a quite glossy, so you can see my shadow there, and there's actually an eye, so it's light blue border, then have some design, and then the card. Okay, it's a bit thin, okay, but not that bad. And then the sides are in gold color. Okay, let's just see the card. Okay, we have here the anchor, the bear, the birds, the bride, cat, coins, crown, dog, dove, dolphins, eye, fish, flowers, gate, gazelle, envelope, groom, heart. I love this. Horse. Okay, the graphics are really quite nice. So this is a house, key, strength, lion, moon, moose, mountain, ocean, old man, old woman, a peacock, pearl, rabbit, scales, scarab, shark, snake, ship, teeth, tree, triangle, turtle, whale, wheel, witch, wolf. It is actually arranged in alphabetical order. So this one actually, when I first opened the box, this one is in sealed plastic, sealed in a plastic cellophane. It's just that I removed that one so I can somehow cleanse the card as well. So let's go and shuffle and pick one card. I think because the description is very brief, if you're the type that is very intuitive, I feel like you'll be able to get more of the meaning from the card, from the images on the card itself. So it is nice. I like this. Okay, let's shuffle. It's very hard to shuffle because they still stick with each other. Okay, and then we're gonna read the meaning from the guidebook. So I think I'm gonna pick like this. Let's see which one I am drawn to. I like this one. Let's see, what is this? Yeah, heart. So for those who are reading these, it's about love, improving your love, or maybe it's time for you guys to have a new love. Let's put this one over here. Okay, heart. It says new love entering your life, or confirmation that someone loves you. If you have not had a love recently, this is a good omen. A new love is not far away. Look at this, guys. One big heart, one big love, and surrounded by small hearts. And for me, I feel like who's ever reading this one, who's ever watching this video, I feel like you are loved. There are a lot of people who loves you. You just have to be open to the love that they are giving, as well as open to give love to those people as well. So yeah, love, love, love. Thank you for watching, guys. So I hope you do enjoy this video and you do love this card as much as I do. And you're gonna probably see this on my energy reading, my weekly energy reading. So I guess that's all, guys. Thank you. Bye bye till our next oracle card review. So thank you.